Welcome all, thank you for watching this video. Today topic is debugging technique in Python. This is an effective method to identify and fix errors. My name is Abhijit Patro. Agenda, that is you are going to learn from this video. Introduction to debugging. What is debugging? Common types of common types of bugs, that is error. Print statement debugging using Python debugger PDB, that is inbuilt module in Python for debugging. Logging for debugging. Third-party debugging tools. Best practices for debugging. Introduction to debugging. Debugging is the process of identifying and removing errors from code, whatever we write Python code. Essential for ensuring program correctness and functionality. We try to assure program runs correctly and functionality will work properly. Helps improve code quality and performance. Common type of bugs. Syntax error. Errors in the structure of the code is called syntax error. It generates when we write code that is not suit the syntax of Python. Runtime error. Errors that occur during execution. Logical error. Code runs but produce incorrect result. That is, code run finds there is no error, but after run the program we does not get a proper result or proper output, as there is some logical error. Print statement debugging. We can use print statement to trace variable values and program flow. Advantages: simple and easy to implement using print statement, and it has also limitation. Not suitable for large or complex code. Using Python debugger PDB, it is a inbuilt module in Python. PDB is Python's built-in debugger. Key commands in PDB. Break to set breakpoints. Step: execute the next line of the code. Continue: resume execution until the next breakpoint. List: source code around the current line. Example: you need to import a PDB package or PDB module. Import PDB. There is a typo error, there will be no semicolon, or you can give semicolon. pdb.set_trace to trace or to print error or any error, print any error, whatever error generated during program. Logging for debugging. Use the logging module to track events or errors. Benefits: customize logging level like debugging, info, warning, error, critical. Provides detailed output for post-mortem analysis. That is, display each and every detail. Let's see example. First you have to import logging module. Then logging.basic configure. This is a basic configuration function. Under this function, you have to provide a parameter label equals to logging.debug. Logging.debug, and using this function you can display any message. Here I am displaying debug message. Third-party debugging tool, ID or debugger. There are more than one ID or debuggers. PyCharm, you can use PyCharm, VS Code, etc. It provides GUI based or graphics user interface based debugging features. Others tool, IPDB, that is Interactive Python Debugger. PUDB, this is full screen console based debugger. PrintLint, LINT, this is used for code analysis and error detection. Best practices for debugging: reproduce the bug consistently, start with a simple debugging approach, use version control to track changes, write unit test to each error is early, document and analyze debugs for future references. Conclusion or summary: what you learn from this video. Debugging is a critical skill for Python developer. Utilize a combination of tools and technique for debugging or for finding or handling error. Adopt best practices to streamline the debugging process. That's all for today. If you have any question, any query, any suggestion, you can post it in the channel or in your community. Thank you.